This is my persuasive speech about why you should not smoke. Do you smoke? Do you enjoy cigarette smoke? I'm sure you don't. However, many other people do. But not all of them are aware of the harm that cigarette smoke causes, such as health risks, appearance alterations, and how inconvenient it can be. Smoking cigarettes can alter your appearance, such as bad breath. It causes bad breath because of all the chemicals in tobacco that are left in your mouth. It also causes your skin to age and wrinkle prematurely. This happens because the nicotine in the cigarettes narrows the blood vessels in the outermost layer of your skin. This impairs blood flow to your skin. With less blood flow, your skin doesn't get as much nutrients and oxygen, such as vitamin A. The skin wrinkles may not be reversible. However, you can prevent worsening the wrinkles by quitting now. It can also cause teeth discoloration due to the tar residual buildup in a smoker's body, which causes the normal healthy tissue to break down over time. It's highly poisonous, and when it's combined with nicotine, that's the greatest factor of why smoking causes yellow teeth. Even if a smoker is diligent about brushing his teeth, visiting the dentist regularly, his teeth will stain, darken, and become yellow, and there's no going back. Along with appearance alterations comes many, many health risks, such as lung cancer. This happens because when cigarette smoke is inhaled, which is full of cancer-causing substances, changes in the lung tissue begin almost immediately. Repeated exposure causes the normal cells that line your lungs are increasingly damaged. Smoking is also the reason for small cell and non-small cell lung cancer, which contributes to 80% and 90% of lung cancer deaths in men and women. Along with lung cancer, it also causes cardiovascular and bladder disease. This happens because the nicotine in smoke reduces how much oxygen your heart gets. It raises blood pressure, speeds up your heart rate, and harms the inside of your blood vessels, including the ones in your heart. In addition to cardiovascular disease comes larynx cancer. Larynx cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the larynx, leading to the formation of a tumor. This is caused from the exposure of carcinogenic chemicals during inhalation. The chemicals cause genetic changes in cells of the throat, which can lead to throat cancer. Not only does it cause multiple alterations in your appearance, and it has numerous health risks, but it's also very inconvenient. Smokers often have to interrupt the more interesting activities for a smoke, as many places don't allow smoking. You have to go outside and in the cold during the winter, and you could even lose a friend because of your tobacco smoking. Giving up smoking is surely more difficult than simple talking about the dangers of smoking. Despite the fact that they realize the harm, many cannot get rid of the habit. A myth that smoking can solve the problems of daily living should be misspelled. It should also be known a lot of smokers' health risks are high, and that smoking can only be solved if they never again take a cigarette in their hands. As you can see, smoking doesn't exhibit positive factors for your life. It may seem good for the time, but when you are diagnosed with cancer, it won't be cool to go through the pain and the chemotherapy. You shouldn't have to deal with all of the alterations of your appearance, the health risks, and the inconvenience it provides to be happy. Life is beautiful in itself. There's no need to smoke cigarettes and continue to harm yourself every day. Only a fool would put his lips to the other end of a fire. Stop being a fool.